Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best rugged phones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Fossibot F105 is a rugged smartphone designed for outdoor enthusiasts and individuals needing a durable and reliable device. With a 10,300 mAh battery, the smartphone ensures long-lasting performance, often providing days of use on a single charge. It also supports 10-watt fast charging and OTG functionality, allowing the device to charge other electronics. The phone's 6.75-inch HD Plus display offers a large and clear viewing area, ideal for media consumption and navigation, while Dragon Trail glass protects it from scratches and impacts. Durability is a standout feature of the F105, with IP68 and IP69K waterproof and dustproof ratings and MIL standard 810H certification, ensuring it can withstand drops and harsh environmental conditions. Powered by the MT8768 octa-core processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, the device provides smooth multitasking and ample storage for apps, photos, and videos. The phone includes a 20-megapixel rear camera for high-quality photography and an 8-megapixel front camera for selfies and video calls. It also supports 4G dual SIM, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou for accurate navigation. Additional features include fingerprint and facial recognition for secure access, and it runs on Android 14, offering the latest updates and features. Overall, the Fossibot F105 combines durability, long battery life, and solid performance, making it an ideal choice for users in demanding environments or those who enjoy outdoor activities. The Doogee S91T is an affordable rugged smartphone designed for tough environments, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts or workers needing a durable, reliable device. Running on Android 13, it features a 5.5-inch IPS HD Plus display with a resolution of 720 by 1440. Powered by a Spreadtrum T606 octa-core processor, the phone comes with 8 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1 TB via microSD, ensuring efficient performance for daily use. Built with rugged durability, the phone is IP68 and IP69K certified for water and dust resistance and meets MIL standard 810H for drop protection and extreme temperatures. Its large 6,300 mAh battery can last up to 24 days on standby or 3 days of regular use, offering extended usability in the field without frequent recharging. The phone is equipped with a 13-megapixel triple rear camera and an 8-megapixel front-facing camera, featuring high-quality video recording, beauty mode, watermark, and zero shutter delay, making it versatile for capturing moments in demanding conditions. Connectivity is robust with dual SIM 4G LTE support, NFC for contactless payments, and GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou navigation systems. For security, it supports face unlock and a fingerprint sensor. Overall, the Doogee S91T delivers a solid balance of ruggedness, functionality, and performance in the budget smartphone segment. The Oukitel WP30 is a rugged smartphone crafted for durability and performance, specifically designed for those who need a reliable device in challenging environments. Its standout feature is the massive 10,600 mAh battery, which provides up to 60 days of standby time and 45 hours of talk time, making it an excellent choice for extended outdoor activities or work in remote areas. In addition to its impressive battery, the 128 decibels loudspeaker ensures clear communication even in noisy surroundings, making it ideal for workers in loud environments or adventurers in the wild. The smartphone features a 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS display with 400 nits of brightness for clear visibility in various lighting conditions, protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for enhanced durability. It is powered by the MediaTek MT8788 processor, paired with 16 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, expandable up to 1 TB, ensuring smooth performance and plenty of storage for apps, photos, and videos. For photography, the WP36 is equipped with a 13-megapixel main camera, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 5-megapixel front camera, capable of capturing clear shots, including in low-light conditions with its night mode feature. Built to withstand extreme conditions, the phone is IP68 and IP69K certified for water, dust, and shock resistance and meets MIL standard 810H. Running on Android 13, the device offers modern software, enhanced security features like fingerprint scanning and face recognition, and flexible connectivity options with dual SIM support, NFC, OTG, and 4G LTE. The Oukitel WP36 is a rugged, dependable choice for users who prioritize durability, battery life, and loud, clear sound, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or those working in demanding environments. The Unihertz 8849 Tank 3 Pro is a rugged smartphone built for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who need a tough and feature-packed device. It boasts a 23,800 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging, ensuring long-lasting power and quick recharges, ideal for extended outdoor activities. The phone features a 6.79-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth and vibrant visuals. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultra chipset, the Tank 3 Pro supports 5G connectivity and comes with 32GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage, expandable up to 2TB via memory card, providing ample storage for all your needs. Its camera system is a highlight, featuring a 200-megapixel main camera along with additional 50, 64, and 8-megapixel cameras for versatile photography options. The inclusion of a night vision camera enhances its capabilities in low-light environments. A unique feature is the built-in 100-lumen DLP projector, which allows users to project media in darker settings. Designed to withstand harsh environments, the phone has an IP68 certification for water and dust resistance. It runs on Android 13, ensuring a modern interface and access to the latest apps. Additional features include a built-in camping light and Wi-Fi 6 support for faster internet connectivity, making the Unihertz 8849 Tank 3 Pro a versatile, durable option for active users. The Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro is a rugged smartphone designed to meet the needs of users in demanding environments. With 64GB of storage, it provides ample space for apps, photos, videos, and files, and the device runs on Android 10, ensuring smooth operation. The dual SIM capability adds versatility, allowing users to manage two lines simultaneously, making it ideal for business or travel. Key features of the XCover Pro focus on durability and usability. Its rugged design meets MIL standard 810G and carries an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, making it suitable for outdoor use in challenging environments like construction sites or industrial settings. The 6.3-inch Full HD Plus TFT display is not only clear and vibrant but also responsive when used with gloves, enhancing its functionality for professionals in sectors such as logistics and field services. The device comes equipped with a removable 4050 mAh battery, allowing for extended usage and quick swaps for continued operation without recharging. It also includes essential sensors such as a proximity sensor, gyro sensor, and accelerometer, further enhancing its practicality. The dual rear camera setup, including a wide-angle lens, ensures quality photos and videos in various conditions. Connectivity is strong with support for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, while Samsung Knox Security provides robust data protection. Additionally, the push-to-talk feature makes communication swift and efficient for professionals.